Hey, Coach, former San Beda head coach, Coach Jamaica Rin. Meantime, first possession for the Red Lions. Let's see how they will bounce back after that tough loss against Letran. They feed Yukian, turns around and hits his first shot.
Martin, I like this matchup na binibigay ng San Beda para dito sa Benil Blazers. Medyo maganda yung matchup ni Eusebio at saka nitong ni Yuki Andrada. Medyo same sila ng build. Athleticism, andyan dyan.
That's right. Prince will watch out for the pace in this game because San Beda is actually holding down their opponents to just 65 points, which is the best in the league. Meantime, Benil, that's Liwag, scores off the Red Lions. You know, looking back at their game against Letran, what they wish they could have done differently, pero you know, everything happens for a reason, Prince. And
Yes, Mark.
that was a big lesson of a game for them. As we see, Jomel Ancheta.
Mukhang may isasama ko na si Jomel Ancheta dun sa listahan ng mga point guards natin dito sa NCAA na kayang ibaba yung bola ng napakatulin. Sila ni Nao Chavo.
This is Jomel Ancheta, Asang Kumpianza. Very deceiving as well as Gonzalez. Turns around to Nigel Gonzalez. Yukian from the left side.
Heat check lang. Mainit pa kaya?
Pwede pa naman. Ancheta zooming to the cup. He's got 4 points here. Here's the trigger. Penny Estacio now in the ball game. Penny sends it out. Yukian. Oh, second triple down and good for Yukian Andrada.
Ang layo nun. From the parking lot.
8 puntos para kay Yukian. Cometa nails it from the free throw line.
Napaka-aggressive Sanchez is maaga pa lang. Sineset up niya na yung kalaban na inaatake talaga niya hanggang sa loob para makuha niya yung commit ng depensa.
Clean up inside for Bismarck Lina.
The Beast, Mark
the Beast.
Lina.
And he's already making a difference for San Beda here. 15-10.
Oh, medyo mas fresh kasi yung legs nito ni Bismarck. Yes, kasi papasok lang niya eh.
Tony Inot, panig kay Cometa sa labas. Liwag, shortstop. Money for Aden Liwag. Matik yan.
Parang nagsawsaw lang. Oo, sabi niya, binigyan siya ng bola sa loob ng paint. Sabi niya, wala lang to sa akin. Matik na sa akin to. Ito yung laro ko eh.
Bismarck Lina. Kenny Estacio fades away. Couldn't hit. Ball is tapped to Tony Inot. And Inot starts the break. Tony, yes! Scoring in transition, Tony Inot.
Oh, Benil getting their groove.
Ito si Tony Inot. Again,
Oh, and yung Beda kanina, sinabi natin na sineset nila yung pace para dito sa Benil. Pero ang totoo niyan, kaya sumabay ng Benil. Kumbaga, kung takbuhan yung pace or medyo mabagal, parehas meron silang baon.
Justin Sanchez finishes the fast break plus the foul. And a free throw coming up for Justin Sanchez. 6 straight points for the Blazers.
Third time's the charm. Unang dalawang atake ni Justin Sanchez. Medyo na-short siya ng finish. Pero yung pangatlo, sinigurado niya na masushoot niya. May kasama pang foul.
Ito yung play at atake ng Benil Blazers. 6 straight points. Tony Inot providing the goods. And the latest one comes from Justin.
Aggressive Sanchez is maaga pa lang. Sineset up niya na yung kalaban na inaatake talaga niya hanggang sa loob para makuha niya yung commit ng depensa.
Clean up inside for Bismarck Lina.
The Beast, Mark Lina.
And he's already making a difference for San Beda here. 15-10.
Oh, medyo mas fresh kasi yung legs nito ni Bismarck. Yes, kasi papasok lang niya eh.
Tony Inot, panig kay Cometa sa labas. Liwag, shortstop. Money for Aden Liwag. Matik yan.
Parang nagsawsaw lang. Oo, sabi niya, binigyan siya ng bola sa loob ng paint. Sabi niya, wala lang to sa akin. Matik na sa akin to. Ito yung laro ko eh.
Bismarck Lina. Kenny Estacio fades away. Couldn't hit. Ball is tapped to Tony Inot. And Inot starts the break. Tony, yes! Scoring in transition, Tony Inot.
Oh, Benil getting their groove.
Ito si Tony Inot. Again,
Oh, and yung beta
Eh,
kanina, sinabi natin na sineset nila yung pace para dito sa Benil. Pero ang totoo niyan, kaya sumabay ng Benil.
Kaya.
Kumbaga, kung takbuhan yung pace or medyo mabagal, parehas meron silang baon.
Justin Sanchez finishes the fast break plus the foul. And a free throw coming up for Justin Sanchez. 6 straight points for the Blazers.
Third time's the charm. Unang dalawang atake ni Justin Sanchez. Medyo na-short siya ng finish. Pero yung pangatlo, sinigurado niya na masushoot niya. May kasama pang foul.
Ito yung play at atake ng Benil Blazers. 6 straight points. Tony Inot providing the goods. And the latest one comes from Justin Sanchez. Hard to stop that light or that length and size on the move. 3 minutes remaining in the first. Penny Estacio. Penny has Cometa on him. They go to Bismarck here. He's got Liwag right behind him. Lina. Wala. Good pressure coming from Liwag.
Parang medyo natawa ata si Allen Liwag dun nung nagkaroon ng konting banggaan.
Morales misfires. Ito na si Penny Estacio. 2.5 to go. Penny. Yes.
Wow!
Up and in. And the foul for Penny Estacio.
Alam mo, usong-uso yung mga ganyang galawan ngayon. And alam natin kung gaano kalaki yung impact ng social media sa mga players ngayon. And palagi kong nakikita sa social media yung mga ganyang moves. After ng sidestep, sobrang bagal. Yung huling step nila, sobrang bagal. Ino-hold nila bago nila itira para tendency nun is yung bantay nila na tumalon, lumagpas muna. In that
Pero ganyan talaga pag naglaban yung dalawang pinakamalakas na teams natin. Jamel Ancheta slams on the brakes and chooses to set it up at the half court. Ancheta steps back for three.
rin talaga yung nagumpisa nung backcourt pressure nila.
Arroyo will be passed to guard Jomel Ancheta. Ito na ulit si Ancheta. Back-to-back hits for Ancheta.
Hindi nila na-gets yung message na sinend ni Ancheta kanina na huwag niyo ako underan. Titira ko nga to yung under ulit O di titira ko ulit, back to back.
12 puntos dito sa ating first half for Jomel Ancheta. Sahonia will try to answer, and he does. Down the hatch for Brian Sahonia. And you saw it in the reaction. Sabi niya, sa wakas, may
Ako naman.
pumasok. Oh.
Ako naman.
Minute and 5 left in the second frame. Matthew Ollie's turn. No. Liwag offensive board. Liwag with a feed inside. And that's a score for Justin Sanchez.
Pinakita pa ni Liwag yung telescope niya After niyang pasahan dun sa napakasikip na depensa, pinakita niya yung telescope niya. Kita ko yun. Kita ko yung open.
Liwag wearing the goggles, showing us the vision. Ito na si Bismarck Lina. Ooh, this one is saved by Payosing.
Shot clock
Royo
down
needs
to 3,
to take.
2.
Royo driving now. Bona follows it up.
Parang
And the lead for the Benil Blazers. Ancheta, Sanko, open fire. He hits from the outside.
binawi naman agad. Sabi, Coach, 3 foul ko pero bigyan kita ng 3 points.
And this is now the largest lead of the game for Benil. 41-33. May foul tayo dito away from the ball. Nahirapan dito, Prince, ang San Beda Red Lions.
Oo.
Let's check this one out. Mark Sanko, we know he's got range. And this time he made the defense pay.
And
Ito na si Eman Tagle. Tagle to Estacio. They swing it back to Tagle, who was left with space. No. Bismarck Lina up and in, plus the foul. And that putback ends the dry spell for the Red Lions. Eman Tagle right here, given daylight, couldn't convert. But Bismarck Lina follows it up. Soft touch. They've outscored Benil 13-8 here in the third quarter. And they were down earlier by 8 as well. Allen Liwag pushes that one up and in.
Narinig niya ako kanina, sabi niya, hindi pa ako pagod, pakita ko sa'yo. Ako naman.
May energy pa siya. Sahonya to Lina from inside the arc. Not gonna work. Ian Torres scans it. Balik sa taas. Torres gets it back. He is closely eyed by Estacio. They go to Morales. The spray to Inot. 8 to work with. Tony sends it to the corner. Sanchez pulls the trigger. And he finds the target. Justin Sanchez giving the lead back to the Blazers.
Kailangan nila ng 3 points na yun to stop the bleeding kasi nagkaroon ng run itong San Beda at na-regain pa nila yung lead at 1 point.
That is the 6th triple of the game for Benilde. Pull-up jumper is good for Benny Estacio.
Parang
Ian Torres now at the point. Tony Inot at the 2. Tony, Anton, Eusebio, nakatapigan. Brian Sahonya. That one was grabbed by Sanchez. Inot open fire. That's good.
good recovery para
Sinabas.
Oo.
So hindi isusugal ni Coach Charles.
yung pang-apat.
Yung pang-apat, yeah.
Oo. At saka hindi kasi siya sanay na mahaba yung pahinga.
Brian Sahonya drains the three-pointer.
Ayan, again, inuulit ko doon sa mga viewers natin, huwag niyong bibitawan yung mga cellphone nyo at saka yung mga TV remote nyo kasi eto na. Papunta na tayo sa magandang part, sa exciting part.
Oh, Brian Sahonya falls down. That's a push on Bismarck Lina. And yeah, 17.8 seconds left in the third. Puno making the right decision to go to Sahonya who drained the three.
Oo, medyo ang 9 more minutes pa.
Tado pa maaga.
And if I was San Beda, I'd milk that.
Oh yeah. And when he gets that, expect them to attack Bismarck just like this. Bismarck Lina! Low post move from Beast Mark.
Kanina, nung first possession ng game, umiiling pa si si Liwag nung na-stop niya si Bismarck. Pero ngayon na tatlo yung foul niya, hirap siya.
Yeah.
Kasi paano ka nga naman didepensa kung umiiwas ka sa foul?
Ah,
Babawi ka
Liwag.
na lang ng shoot. But you know, still, good hustle galing sa kanya.
Ian Torres backs up, 8 to shoot. Cometa, they go to Sanchez here, feeding Liwag inside. No problem for Allen Liwag.
Kita mo naman na humihinga na ng malalim kung si Allen Liwag, ano? Pinagpasapasahan ka ng big man ng San Beda sa Kapabangga. Tapos ikaw pa rin yung pumipilit, bumuhat.
Jomel Puno misses. Liwag, by the way, has 12 points and 11 rebounds today. Ito na si Tony Inot, under 6 minutes left. A chance to tie for Benilde, or if they score a 3, they'll be able to take back the lead. Sanchez chooses the 3. He knocks it down. And Benilde is back in front. Eto, yung huling play natin, Cometa to his buddy Justin Sanchez over the outstretched arm of Jomel Puno, draining it. And afterwards, silencing the crowd of San Beda that used to cheer him from 2 seasons ago.
Kaya
Cheer for him,
Kaya
yeah.
sinilence yun kasi kanina, hindi umabot yung athleticism. O sabi niya, hindi kita kaya dyan sa talunan eh. Dito na lang tayo sa labas. Diba? Titira ko na lang dito. Hop. Pinatahimik eh.
Yeah. Sanchez has come up big today for San Beda, or for Benilde rather. Penny Estacio down the middle.
Ben.
Yeah. Doon si Penny. Isang dribble papunta sa loob. Jomel Ancheta didiskarte. Ancheta. Cometa. They go to Liwag here. Allen Liwag has Lina right behind him. Fadeaway. It's good. Allen Liwag scores.
Kobe! Hindi mo ba narinig pagka-fade niya? Kobe!
Kobe.
Siyempre, nakita mo naman yung sapatos niya.
Ancheta. Benilde has a chance to extend the lead. Jomel. Liwag. Cometa. 4 to shoot. He needs to take. Cometa scores!
And the basket!
Gab Cometa beating the shot clock.
That was wild.
Wow, they had nowhere to go. So Cometa just drove it against Zahonia. Here's the spin, scoop and the hoop. And harm. Gab Cometa, as clutch as it gets. He has another chance at the free throw line.
With 1 minute left.
Tony Inot with 8 to work with here. Big possession for Benilde. 3 to shoot. Ancheta! Kaboom! Off the bank! It's good! The Blazers are up by 6. Jomel Ancheta, just like what he did in their first matchup. A big triple off the glass and in.
Tulad ng sabi mo, Martin, ang swerte, malapit sa masisipag.
18 points today for Jomel Ancheta. And for the second time this season against San Beda, he leads his team in scoring.
Wow, what a game for...
Down to 10-7. Teka lang ha, pwede pang humabol ang LPU as Andrada with the heave here. No good. The Blazers beat the Red Lions again. Coach Charles will get his 14th win in season 100 and a huge win. They are a step closer to securing the #1 spot.
What a game for both teams. And Mark, ito yung klase ng game na on the fly.
No.
Yung talaga namang adjustments nila is talaga namang ibang klase. I mean, we have to commend both coaches and both teams on this.
Yeah.
Kasi sobrang bilis nung pace nung game. Pero yung adjustment nila, ang bilis din. Kumbaga, it comes with.
Nakita natin yan buong laban. Napakabilis ng reaction mula sa mga coaches. And they didn't even need to feed their players directly. Yung
Yes,
wala tayong nakitang timeout in between. Alam na ng mga players nila yung gagawin.
Alright. Napaka